Want to transfer a printed image onto a canvas? Here's how. Open Arttrezzi, click on Canvas Studio, then select New Project, then load your image. And identified your canvas size, the app will divide the image into the appropriate number of sheets for canvas size. To print your image, it will come out across multiple pages. Arrange them accordingly, making sure the design lines up, and then tape the sheets together. There will be a slight overlap, so it's recommended to cut along the side. You'll be overlapping for a cleaner look. Now, to transfer it onto a canvas, flip the image over and rub charcoal evenly across the back. If you only want to transfer a small portion, place the image on a light table or against a daylight window. The light will shine through, allowing you to add charcoal only where needed. Other method is to tone your canvas with thin paint. Do not let it dry. Once ready, place the image face up on your canvas. Use a pencil or pen to trace over the image. This pressure transfers the charcoal onto the canvas underneath. When finished, lift the paper to reveal your transferred image. Now you're ready to paint, ink, or add details however you like. Give it a try and bring your artwork to life.